In today's video, we will be reviewing this pretty cool tool, the Smallrig Folding Tool for filmmakers. So first off, the packaging is a little odd. It comes with a carrying case, inside of that carrying case, and then it comes with the tool itself. Next, let's talk about the tool's design. It's made from high quality stainless steel and has a comfortable grip, so you can use it comfortably without experiencing any fatigue while you're turning and twisting it. The folding mechanism is smooth and easy to use. It's small enough to fit easily into your camera bag or pocket. Another really cool feature about this multi-tool compared to other traditional multi-tools in my camera bag is that there are no sharp points on this thing. So for those of us who travel frequently, this thing will pass TSA checks. The Smallrig Folding Tool has a number of different tools built in with content creators in mind, including a Torx 2.5, a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and 4 Allen wrench sizes, T2.5, T3, 2.4, and 3/16. It also includes 6 built-in screw threads for storage, including 2 1/4-inch sizes, M5, M4, M3, and an M2.5. Now, for the real question, is this tool worth what it costs? When I bought this tool, it was around 20 bucks, but as of this recording, I found it on Amazon for around 16 bucks. So at that price, it's not the cheapest option out there, but considering all the functions it has and the fact that it's made from high quality materials, I think it's well worth the investment. Plus, it's durable enough to last for years, so you'll be getting a lot of value out of it. If you're in need of a versatile, high quality tool for your film and photography work, the Smallrig Folding Tool is definitely worth considering. It's well made, easy to use with a number of useful functions built into it, and these tools were specifically designed for content creators in mind. Check the description below for affiliate links that help support the channel, and if this thing is still more money than you'd like to spend, then I have a link below to a cheaper alternative tool with some really good reviews. Let us know in the comments below if you've used this tool or you plan on buying one, and what do you think of it? Until next time, remember to love one another and to use your content creation powers for good.